Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back sa ating channel, and today we're going to talk about a topic about Matthew Wright. So, kung magbabalik nga ba talaga siya sa PBA, and if so, anong ibig sabihin neto sa liga? At syempre, para sa dating team niya na Phoenix Fuel Masters. So, for those who don't know, Matthew Wright, isa sa pinaka-elite scorers sa PBA, left for Japan's B-League years ago, pero lately nag-spread na yung chismis na he's back in the Philippines and he's keeping the upcoming B-League season. So, bakit nga ba? Let's get to the bottom of this. The reason Matthew came back to the Philippines is not about basketball, but something way more important: family. His mom, Ofelia Agustin, is sick and wants to go home to Tarlac. Matthew, being a loving and devoted son, is putting his career on hold to take care of her. This is a true-to-life fact, and it just shows this kind of person si Matthew off the court. Kasi sobrang bait niya din talaga eh. Kasi sa Facebook, nakakausap ko naman siya pag may birthday, nag-greet naman. So, he's a stand-up guy, a selfless person. This is a reminder that some things are just bigger than basketball. Ngayon, mag-reminisce muna tayo bago siya pumunta ng Japan eh. Matthew Wright was the heart and soul of Phoenix Fuel Masters, and we can talk about his time na hindi natin minimension yung iconic na PBA bubble run way back 2020. That was a magical moment, diba? So, ayun nga, sana siya kanya binigay yung para sa akin hanggang ngayon, siya pa rin yung bubble MVP that time. So, siya yung candidate siya during that conference. So, tinanggal yung MVP sa year na yon kasi isang conference nga lang daw. So, he led the league in statistical points and carried the Phoenix to the semifinals. Ang lupit niya dun eh. He had that clutch genes, like yung game winner against Magnolia, and yung kanyang kahit may ankle injury siya, he played through the pain. He showed the true grit and determination. That run cemented his status as one of the best scorers sa liga. Sayang kasi umalis siya. So siguro kung sa kanya binigay yung award na yun, baka mapaisip si Matthew na pupunta pa ba siya ng B-League. Pero ewan ko, ay sayang na Pero ayan, babalik na siya. If babalik siya sa PBA, ano kaya yung magiging impact niya kung sakaling bumalik siya sa Phoenix? The Fuel Masters lineup has changed. Mayroon na silang mga young and promising players like Evan Nelly, Tyler Teo, Ken Taffen, and of course their veteran mainstay Jason Perkins. And of course, meron pa silang bagong big man with Guy Balungay. So imagine this, Matthew Wright, the veteran scorer, yung kanilang heart and soul playing alongside these young guns. So Evan Nelly, a dynamic point guard na matututo sa pagiging leader ni Matthew. Tyler Teo, Phoenix current main guy who Wright himself sees in the future of the franchise. So yung combo nila will be electric, parang magiging Splash Brothers So hindi lang sila brothers meron pang isa with Ken Taffen, the versatile wingman na magandang fit sa space and pace na offense ng Phoenix. And of course, Jason Perkins, yung kanyang tag team talaga way before, the consistent and ever reliable big man na kasama niya nun. And si Guy Balungay, new, a fresh talent who adds athleticism. So, sobrang deadly ng combination na yan, diba? Matthew can be the leader, the kuya, and the clutch player. He can take the pressure sa mga young guys kasi nandyan na siya imbis na napipressure sila, akin na lang kay Matthew, ganun, allowing them na mag-grow and develop. So this team could really be something special and a true contender. Sasarap na yung tingin natin sa mga teams kasi yung rain or shine, nagpalakas with Pringle. So yung roster naman nila na binibuild, and of course Converge, diba? So kung bumalik si Matthew sa Phoenix, parang magpapantay yung tatlo exciting, and sana. So final takeaways na tayo. Yung Matthew's return is real, but for family. The rumors are true that he is back in the Philippines, but it's not a done deal yet that he will be playing this season. It's because of his mom's health. A potential PBA return is a huge possibility kasi nandito naman siya sa Pilipinas, yung rights niya ay nasa Phoenix pa rin. So once yung mga circumstances allow him to play, he can immediately sign a contract and eligible to play. Hindi sa kanya papatong yung 3-year ban eh. So he's an all-around player. Matthew can be a two-way player. Hindi naman siya scorer lang eh. He's also a great playmaker and defender. So sana magkaroon tayo ng another exciting run para sa Phoenix kung bumalik siya. So, ano sa tingin nyo? Will we see Matthew Wright wearing a Phoenix uniform again? So, let me know all your thoughts in the comment section below. This is Agon Hoops. See you in the next upload. Bye!